It is June 5th. Time is 2:30 p.m. Heading west on Highway 54 in Kansas, just out of Mullinville. Stop for data, and my target area is looking good. If it's Oklahoma or somewhere in that area, right along the North Texas Panhandle, Oklahoma Panhandle border. Looks like triple point will fire up today. Time is 3:44 p.m. Just south of Laverne, Oklahoma on 283 South. Here's the front, as you can see, extending back this way. And just south, just south this front, we will hope to find the triple point, the dry line front intersection, just to the west. More later.
The Storm Prediction Center in Norman has issued a tornado watch for portions of Kansas, Oklahoma, and Texas, effective until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Time is 4:14 p.m. A large convective tower blowing up just to my east.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Woodward County in northwest Oklahoma until 5:15 p.m.
The storm here.
4:31.
It's the southernmost storm here. Broad scale rotation. Beautiful animal. Look at that draft here. Very convective. Open wall cloud.
Until 5:15 p.m.
There's the vault. Looking at the shadow of the animal, we'll be able to see this stuff better. Or later. Some amazing knuckles on the anvil here. There's the updraft base. Time is 5:11 p.m. Beautiful rain foot here. Okay, towards my north I was chasing have lined out now. There's a nice developing, well, it's pretty mushy, but it's developing. But the best thing around, it appears, is right there to our south. Heading 283 south and going after that storm. It appears to be a nice little supercell there with a bat-sheared anvil. Hopefully this will be better than what we got up here. This stuff really lined up quickly. More later. Time is 5:57 p.m.
Precaution. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio or your favorite television and radio stations for the latest on
Rapid rotation here.
The Storm Prediction Center in Norman has issued a tornado watch for portions of Kansas, Oklahoma, and Texas, effective until 5 p.m. At 7:10 p.m., Doppler radar detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Quinlan in eastern Woodward County, moving east at 20 miles an hour. The storm will rank near Highway 400 and 12 in western Major County. Take cover now. Leave mobile homes and vehicles. If possible, move to a basement or storm shelter. counties, with the storm capable of producing tornadoes. All activity will move in the northeast direction. If you are in the area, freedom.
Beautiful structure. Look at the striations here. The tornado sirens are.
Is it safe to get back to Shaddy?
Which way are you going?
Shaddy.
There's a tornado warning for that right there. That's rotating rapidly right there. It's moving southeast right now toward this area. You hear the tornado sirens? It's moving right towards Sharon right now.
Oh, geez. So it's probably not safe?
Probably not, no.
So this is moving through Sharon?
It's moving southeast through Sharon right now. Moving right toward us, more or less.
Oh, how am I going to get home?
Well, we're clear south of here.
What?
We're clear to the south, so you might want to just go to south, go back west and drop south, or go back east and drop south and go back the other way, just go around. What are the inflow tails on the right here? Inflow's picking up. Well, that's too bad. This stuff is HP-ish, wet classic. There's Sharon's tornado warning sirens. Let's hope one's not on the ground right now. Should be a tornado here. Strong inflow. There's the occlusion.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for western Major County and southern
Amazing
Coast County
banding
in
here.
West Oklahoma until 8:30 p.m. At 7:41 p.m.
Storm's no longer under tornado warning. We'll these cyclonically curved inflow bands going right into the storm. Beautiful stuff. No longer exhibiting storm stations, now under severe thunderstorm warning only. And it's still rotating. It's 9 o'clock now, getting close to dark. Other guy. Okay, I'm getting out of here.